The Opel Frontera is making a bold return, this time as a modern compact SUV ready to shake up Europe's market. Positioned between the Opel Mokka and the new Grandland, it brings rugged design, advanced technology, and family practicality, all at a price that's surprisingly competitive. Would you choose the new Opel Frontera as your next SUV over competitors like the Renault Captur or Peugeot 2008? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Rugged design meets practicality. Opel describes the Frontera as a rugged interpretation of its bold and pure design language. The front showcases the signature Visor black panel, Eco LED headlights, and a sharp lightning bolt emblem that give it a modern yet tough personality. At 4.38 meters long, it feels larger than many rivals. The upright stance, distinctive C-pillar, and solid wheel arches add strength to its look. A 7-seat version is available too, making it a flexible choice for families who need extra space. Inside, the pure panel digital cockpit takes center stage with two 10-inch displays for a clean, focused experience. Opel also introduces an innovative smartphone station, letting drivers use their phones as the infotainment hub, something tech enthusiasts will love. Comfort and practical features. Opel prioritizes comfort with IntelliSeat technology in the front seats, designed to reduce pressure during long trips. Families will appreciate thoughtful touches like USB ports for every row, a cooled wireless charger, and smart storage solutions lined with rubber to prevent rattling. The 5-seat model offers more than 460 liters of cargo space, expandable to 1,600 liters when the seats fold flat. Optional roof rails boost practicality even further, with a 200-kilogram load capacity, perfect for carrying bikes or camping gear. Automotive expert Marcus Krauss comments, "The Frontera isn't just stylish. Opel has really nailed the balance between urban usability and long-distance comfort. That's where it can stand out against more established competitors." Powertrains and electric future. Buyers can choose between mild hybrid and fully electric versions. The hybrids use a 1.2-liter turbo engine with 48-volt assistance, available in 100 horsepower or 136 horsepower outputs, both paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic. For those eyeing zero-emission driving, the Frontera Electric starts with a 44 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering up to 305 kilometers WLTP range. A long-range version is also coming, stretching to around 400 kilometers, making it a strong option in the growing EV market. Price and release date. In Germany, the 2026 Opel Frontera starts at 23,900 euros for the base hybrid, while the electric model begins at 28,990 euros. A 7-seat option is available for an 800 euro surcharge. Order books are already open, with deliveries beginning late 2025 into 2026. The 2026 Opel Frontera proves that Opel is serious about combining style, technology, and affordability in one package. If you're shopping for a new SUV, this is definitely one to watch. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on upcoming cars.